Hello everybody and welcome to the unboxing video of the Vax Mach Air Upright Vacuum Cleaner. They claim this is the lightest full-size multi-cyclonic upright in the world. No loss of power, no loss of capacity. Says it on every side of the box. Nice little picture of the vacuum cleaner. 6-year guarantee, that's really handy. Carry handle on the back. More specs on this side. Constant power and suction. Multi-cyclonic force. Choose constant power or suction for a cleaner home. The model number down here is the U91-MA-B. That's about it. On the top we've got lots of cellophane that I'm going to use this handy knife to get inside. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Always be careful with knives. So on the top here we've got a little instruction guide as to what the pack contains. Bagless upright vacuum, crevice tool, upholstery tool, dusting brush, telescopic extension tube, instruction manual and guarantee card. So let's get this out and see what we can see. First of all, we've got the tool, 2-in-1. I'm guessing this comes apart somehow. Yeah, fixes inside it. So that's the brush tool, inside there's the crevice tool, comes apart. So that's one side. On the side there we've got the user guide. I guess you turn it on and move it around the room. Bit of cardboard packaging. Bit more cardboard packaging. Here's the handle. It's kind of like a lightsaber. And then we've got the vacuum cleaner itself. Out. The box to one side, there's nothing else in the box. That's your lot. Plenty of cardboard packaging around this. There's a more cardboard, there's the extension lead in a bag. Then we've got the vacuum cleaner. Gives you a little close up of all these things. We've got the user guide in a little plastic bag. We've got the 2-in-1 tool. It's the brush and then the crevice tool inside. They come apart. This is the extension lead that attaches to the vacuum cleaner. We'll get that out in a second. Then we've got the handle, which I presume goes in the top of there. Right, let's get this unbagged. Rather snazzy orange and grey colour. There's the cable. Now this cable does have a little hook here, so you can wrap it around the back of the vacuum cleaner. If we consult the manual, we'll probably find out how we need to put this together. Assembling your vacuum cleaner. Okay guys, basically we insert this hole into the top of there. Not too taxing. Let's give it a go. There you go. The vacuum cleaner is assembled. From the top, we have an extending handle there, really good for us tall folks. Then there's the buttons on the side here, power button, and this button here stops the spinning brushes at the bottom. So if you go onto hard floors, that's what you want to do. Around the back here is the cord holder thing, so the cord hooks around the bottom here and up around this. Once that's up, that is straight around there like that. On the back here is a little clip, which I'm guessing is for the tool. Yeah, Zimpaz. On top here is an unlock button. I imagine you press that, it comes away from here, so you can take that and empty it into your nearest bin. There's a little button on the back to release the bottom. Get that back on there like so. One clever feature of this vacuum cleaner is at the top here you can take this handle out, just pulling this orange lever here, all the way it comes out, and then at the bottom you can detach the hose. See this orange clip here? You can detach the hose, and then we can attach the handle to the hose, and it becomes a hose, extra long gunny kind of vacuum cleanery device. If you look at the multi-tool thing here, there's a little button you can press that detaches them from each other, and you've got the brush, the upholstery part, and the crevice tool, and these all fit into the end of this, or onto the end of that, and away you go, vacuuming with a hose. This could be ideal for your vacuuming between the sofa cushions, in your car, that kind of thing. So there we go guys, the Vax Mach air vacuum cleaner. As you can see, it wasn't actually that loud for a vacuum cleaner. Really, from just a few seconds of vacuuming there, I've picked up all that dust. But that is saying something about my old vacuum cleaner, to be honest. If you have been guys, thank you for watching, and please check out the specs of this. You can buy it on Amazon for £99 normally, in the link below. Follow me on Twitter down below, and if you've really enjoyed this video and you want to be notified of any new videos of mine, please click the subscribe button up here. That would be fantastic. Thank you very much guys.